since I did this shop tip a while back, and since I bought a new grinder, I'm going to show you one of the tips I do for power cords again. Because I got this brand new grinder with, you know, rolled up like that. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I do almost every time I get a new tool. I don't do it for household items. I don't know why I should. So anyway, I untangle it, of course. Whoa! Not really untangled, but I unloop it. I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. Put the camera down here. Excuse me. What I normally do is I take a piece of cotton clothesline cord. Don't use polyester. Don't use anything else. I take about maybe, let me lift this up a little, it's too far. I take about maybe a length this long. And you take a little pair of cutters and see if you can cut it. See if this thing even cuts. Scrap. Great. Doesn't even cut it. Well, it's sort of cutting. There we go. Nope, not really. So much for prepared, huh? Come on, cut the damn string. Alright, I'll start over. Hold on. Anyway, back to what I was saying is, instead of taking the fancy things out, pull out the big guns and take your cord, which I measured about, where the hell was it? Right here. How the hell did I get that long? That wasn't it, was it? This is, okay, here. Take it, cut it with a knife. Don't mess around with bullshit. Things like this. So anyway, the cord's about this long, right here, see? About that long, find the middle of it. Take your cord, wrap this around the middle, like so. Here. Wrap it around there, tie a knot in it. Tie a little knot in it, see? Tie as tight as you can. Tie another knot in it. That's all you gotta do, see? A little ropey hanging off it. Now, you take your cord and you wrap it like this, or like this, like this, or whatever way you feel like you want it wrapped. I want it smaller, because I like smaller pieces. And then I wrap it around here like so. See? Now that you got it like this, you just whip this around this side. You whip this one around this side. And then, since it's cotton binds. You put it in a little bow tie knot there. And then you tie it like this. So this way, that's what you do with your cord. You don't have to worry about cords dragging everywhere and doing some fancy shit. I like the clothesline cord because, excuse me, because I had 100 feet of it in my drawer. But not only that, it catches, so you don't have to worry about the nylon slipping. It's, it's all natural and it's biodegradable, and the grinder isn't, but the cord is A1 biodegradable. Even this old grinder here, the old one, this is a burnt out Makita, which I put it on that one. So, and when I hang them, all my grinders hang like this, so the cords don't dangle on the floor. Most times I take this and I tie it up this way, but other than that, that's what I do. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's shop tip number 44 million.